Hello guys, welcome to ESL Powerhouse. In today's lesson we are going to study some versus any. Some is used in positive statements to indicate an unspecified quantity or amount. For example, I have some books on the shelf. This sentence means I have a certain number of books but not specified. The next example, she bought some apples from the market. Some is also used when offering or requesting something. For example, would you like some coffee? The next example, can I have some help with this task? Any is used in negative statements to indicate the absence or lack of something. For example, she doesn't have any notebooks. The next example, she didn't buy any apples from the market. And also, any is used in questions when the answer is unknown or when the existence of something is uncertain. For example, do you have any books on the shelf? The next example, does she buy any apples from the market? Some more examples. Some people prefer tea to coffee. I don't have any apples left. I have some money in my wallet. We don't have any time to waste. Now, it's time for you to complete the blanks. So, he doesn't have blank friends in the city. What do you think? Is it a positive statement or negative? Very good, it is negative. So, what should we use in here? Some or any? Fantastic, any. Why? Because the sentence is negative. He doesn't have any friends in the city. The next example. There are blank things you need to know before starting the job. Is it positive or negative sentence? Very good, it is positive. So some is used. There are some things you need to know before starting the job. The next example, she hasn't made blank progress on the project. Is it positive or negative? Fantastic, it is negative. So any is used. She hasn't made any progress on the project. The next example, she bought blank flowers for the table. Is it positive or negative? Very good, it is positive. So some is used. She bought some flowers for the table. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.